Hey people, is there anybody gonna wanna sing me a song? Because I'm gonna say it and you're gonna request it.
Okay, me. The song is Me, Myself and Time by Demi Lovato.
Just use your normal voice.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Oh my god, you know Demi Lovato?
Yes, she's my friend. Oh my god, does she know this stuff?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you stuff. I can make the rain stop here if I wanna. Just by my get true. I can take my laptop and record a snapshot and save the point through. I just entered this brand new room. I'm so excited. I don't have nowhere to go back. I just I'm moving my head here, I'm knowing my best. I can blow it, and I know everything will be fine away. Myself, and time I'll find myself, and time I know I'll find myself, and I know.
Hey, awesome song! Okay. Now, will somebody else come up?
Oh yes, Harry. Is your brother?
Yes.
Oh my.
He's come One Direction, right?
Yes. He's going to sing What Makes You Beautiful.
Awesome. Go, brother, wherever you are.
Oh!
Where are you? You thought he actually came? Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna announce it. The one. The only. Harry! Woo! Yes! Okay!
Here's what makes you beautiful.
Okay, I'm just gonna go down technical difficulties for 1 second. Okay. Just wait for technical difficulties again when this was in.
Hey guys.
Okay, now my hair again. Oh. Okay, now again. The one. The only. Harry from One Direction, he's gonna sing What Makes You Beautiful. Woo! Hey, Harry, brother. Okay, now he's gonna sing. It's going to be on the edge. Make space. Space. Okay. Now he's gonna sing. You're insecure, don't know what for. You turn heads when you walk through the door. Then we make up to cover up. Even the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me over. The way you smile at the time that it's hard to say. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see. You'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. Yeah.
Okay, nice song.
Okay, now you want to say two.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sing so listen out.
Just 1 second. We're going to the bathroom.
Okay, 1 second. Hey, what are you guys doing? No, I can see you.
Harry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Okay, sorry. Okay, me and Harry are going to have a chat just for 5 seconds. Hey! Okay, can we just have another chat for 10 seconds? You count, or less. in Audi. Hey there, Thoughty, hey there, cutie. One day, right in my Audi, I like in high school moody, crashing like I am the fruity. It has everything you need. Invitation, leather seat, heater so I don't get cold. That even has a mustache hold, cup holder for my supplies. Even has a mustache holder. Saudis and Audis, Saudis and Audis. I have shiny new and eight. My Audi is so sick. Even in my profile pic means picture. So Saudis and Audis, Saudis and Audis. Alright, alright. Surprise!
That was good. I'll clap for him. Da 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 da. Oh, good. Okay. Next, we're going to go subscribe. Now, you go subscribe and
Comment
and
for the best.
like.
Comment for the best video and like and subscribe.
Well, don't say things there.